Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to try the Dinosaur Hug AI effect in CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26? This fun AI effect can transform your photo or video into a creative scene with a giant dinosaur hug animation. Let me show you how to use it. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap Edit. Next, go to AI Generator. Then tap AI Effects. Now tap the plus icon to upload your image or video. Choose the photo or video you want to use. After uploading your media, tap the text box that says describe the effect you want on your image. You can type your own AI prompt here. But for this tutorial, scroll down to the try this effect section. Now look for the dinosaur hug effect. Tap the effect once. CapCut will automatically add the dinosaur hug prompt into the text box. You can keep the original prompt or edit it if you want a different style. After that, tap Generate. CapCut will now create the AI dinosaur hug effect automatically. This process may take a few moments. Once the AI effect is finished, preview the result. If you like the result, tap Export to save it to your device. And that's how to use the Dinosaur Hug AI effect in CapCut on Samsung Galaxy S26. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.